We are expecting kind of minor impacts in northern Utah starting tonight.
We have weather briefings where we have our managers within various departments come in and we'll brief them on the weather conditions that we expect with the storms and impacts. What we do with pre-treatment is trying to keep the snow from bonding to the road initially, and it helps us get a head start on the storm.
So I can just read the weather report, adjust accordingly as far as manpower, on-call guys that we have come in to help out, things like that.
Use a brine solution on the freeways. What it is a mixture of salt and water.
I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a sign.